Thermography cannot replace mammography, nor can mammography replace thermography. They are two totally different technologies looking at different aspects of breast health. A mammogram is looking at anatomy or the structure, and a thermogram is looking at the physiology or looking at the function. The two go together. The physiology always happens first. We can see the beginning of the disease process when it's about the size of the end of a ballpoint pen with thermal imaging. Usually with mammography, we cannot see the mass until it's about the size of a pea, which is generally between 8 and 10 years that it has been forming prior to the ability to detect it by mammography. All heat, no matter how deep it is going to come to the surface of the skin. Thermal imaging is 90% accurate on its own, but it can miss a deep, slow-growing, non-aggressive tumor. Generally, these are found on a mammogram, and often they are considered in situ tumors. They're encapsulated. They're, as I said, non-aggressive, slow-growing, deeper tumors. Those can be missed by a thermogram. This is also why it's important to use both technologies. Between the two technologies and clinical breast examination, we're realizing between 95 and 98% detection, which is phenomenal.